So, Roblox Studio is actually bundled with the Roblox game engine, which is the same engine that powers all the experiences on the Roblox app. This means that when you develop and publish your own experiences in Studio, players are going to be interacting with the same game engine that you used to build it, right from their personal devices. If you're curious about what Studio can do and how the game engine works, you can check out an overview in Roblox Studio itself. Install Roblox Studio. It's pretty simple. First, you want to click on the Download Studio button. Then, a pop-up dialog will show up, and you'll need to click the Download Studio button again. After that, head to your browser's download history and find the Studio installer file. Double-click it to start the installation. That if you're on a Windows computer, the file is called robloxstudio.exe. For Mac users, the file is called robloxstudio.dmg. Once the installation finishes, a pop-up confirmation will appear, and all you need to do is click the Launch Studio button. When Studio opens up, go ahead and log in with your new Roblox account. Now that you're all set up, let's dive into the fundamental parts of the Studio interface so you can start navigating and creating.